So the floodlight at the front of this house covers the front door and the steps, but it's not quite adequate enough to light the side gate, the garage and the driveway. So you guessed it, the customer has asked for some more lights. This one's going to be in conduit, so I'll start by marking the level where I'm going to run it, drill a 6mm hole, plug it, mount the saddles, cut my conduit to the right length, give it a 90-degree bend, unravel the twin and earth flex, feed it through the conduit while it's on the ground, less faffing about, and then get it in place. Next, take down the light that's already there, but carefully, I'm going to use it again. Now I have to slice the silicone off the backing plate because the last electrician done a top job sealing that off for extra ingress protection. Wonder who that was. Prepare the IP rated junction box with a little conduit female adapter, bit of sealant around there, mount that where the original light was, slide the last bit of conduit in place, check its level there, check its level there, check its plumb there. Perfect! Scrape the excess silicone off the base because I like my work tidy, remount the light in its new position, connect it up and on to the next one. Now we're on the next one, connect it up and then we're done.